Good afternoon, this is Trish from Networks Computer Solutions here again, and we're here looking at Canva today. Today we're going to look at using Canva as a desktop publishing software to create a logo and also the little favicon that goes up in the top left of the browser. Okay, so Canva is free to get started. You can upgrade to a premium account, but more on that later. If you go to canva.com and you can either create an account or log in. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in with Facebook. Once you've created your account and logged in, you'll be asked to decide what type of business that you're running. So you can choose from between a consulting business or an educational business or those sorts of things. Don't worry about which one you pick when you're logging in, because you will have access to all the pre-made templates anyway. So once you get into the system, it looks like this. On the left hand side is the system menu where you can choose all the different designs. You can access folders, any of your uploads, and you can also delete designs. The main screen is taken up with the actual design elements. So under create a design, this is where you can choose what design you want to create, and you won't have any of your designs at the moment. I've been using Canva for a couple of years now, so I've got some designs down in this section. So for a start, let's have a look at how we can create a logo. So I'm going to click on the create a design logo option. If it's not showing, you can just come over here to the search button and type in the word logo, and it'll give you some design options. Now I want a design something to do with coffee, I think. Something nice and simple. This one looks nice and simple. Now Canva is really easy to use. It's just click on the text, you can double click to select the text, and you can type straight over the top. I'm going to put that underneath. I don't want that. And this little icon of a bee, I don't particularly want that either. So I'm going to come over here to Elements, and I'm going to go to the Icons section. We'll just do a search, and I want a coffee. This one here, I think. Now, because I'm a pro subscriber, I've got this option for free. And I might change that to a black. So that looks pretty right. That's about how I want it. I'm just going to change the name of that. Yep. And then I'm just going to download it. So I'm going to download that as an image. Give that a moment. So while it's going, I'm going to create a copy of this logo. So File, make a copy. Now all I want to do this time is just have the coffee cup. So I'm going to remove the text, double clicking on it, and I can just go delete. I'll actually get rid of those two text boxes. So I've just got the coffee shape. So what I want to do is to create this as a transparent. So again, I'm going to click the download button, and down here where it says transparent background, I'm going to save that. So download. Now is to resize both of these images and crop them. So I've got GIMP, which is the image manipulation program, which is also a free download from SourceForge. You can download that to easily crop your images. So with the Twisties logo, I'm just going to drag and drop that into place. And what I want to do is I just want to make a selection around here. So rectangle, draw a rectangle over the top, and then I'm just going to drag these sides in so it's roughly square. Okay, and then I'm just going to go image, crop to selection, and then I will export that as an image that I can use later on. So file, export as, Twisties logo, and I'm going to put this as final so that I'm saving over the top. And then export. Close that one because I do not need it anymore. And then finally we'll drag out the coffee cup transparent. And again we're going to draw our rectangle, move it in so that it's roughly square. And then again image, crop to selection. What I'm also going to do with this one is I'm going to resize it down to 75 by 75. So image, and then scale image, and I'm just going to type in the top box 75 and click in the height box and it will change automatically. Click on scale, and again I'm going to export that one. So file, export as, and then I'm just going to add the number 75 onto the end there. Click on export and then export again. Okay, so we have our images cropped and resized. So I can close GIMP, don't need to say resave my changes, and then I can go back to my WordPress website. So what I want to do, I'll give you a preview, is we're going to add a logo in here, and we're also going to change from the W, which is the default logo icon up here, we're going to change that to our little coffee cup. So under appearances and customize, so in our customize options we're going to go to site identity, and then logo, we're going to select our logo. We will need to upload it to the computer first, so let's do that. Install our coffee cup, and we'll also upload our logo. So I'm just going to give it an alt text for people who can't see properly, and we might need to resize that. That'll do. Okay, and then we're going to go down here to site icon. We're going to select the site icon, which is going to be our coffee cup, and then skip cropping again. So let's publish that. And we'll review our changes. So this is looking much better. You can see we've got Twisties placed here in the logo, and we've also got the little coffee cup up here. Alright, that will do for that for now, and we'll come back later with another tutorial.